Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shabarali and today in this video I will show you the speed test between iPhone 6 and Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. So let's get started. So the both phones are in pretty good condition as you can see. So let's start by booting them up in 3, 2, 1, go. So the iPhone take the lead here. There are no apps running on the background as you can see. So let's start the speed test. Settings in 3, 2, 1. Faster on iPhone. Clock in 3, 2, 1. Faster on iPhone. Calendar. Faster on iPhone. Calculator. iPhone. Play Store, App Store. Faster on Huawei. So let's try third party apps, which is Instagram. Faster on Huawei. YouTube. Faster on Huawei. Snapchat. Faster on Huawei. TikTok. Faster on Huawei. SoundCloud. InShot video editing app. Faster on Huawei. PixArt. Faster on iPhone. Share it. Faster on iPhone. Lightroom. Faster on Huawei. Temple Run. Faster on iPhone. Chrome. Faster on Huawei. Subway Surf. Faster on Huawei. Twitter. Faster on Huawei. Pinout. Skype. Faster on Huawei. The last not the least, PUBG Mobile.